This is the new Spicy Curry All-Terrain. With oversized tubing and ready for anything, the Spicy Curry AT has been designed to be the first all-terrain cargo bike. Safety of your cargo on the Spicy Curry AT is our priority. Consequently, we have handpicked all the components for the safest and most comfortable riding experience possible. The Spicy Curry AT features the new Bosch cargo line motor. Bosch makes the most reliable bicycle systems on the market. Bosch drivetrains and batteries meet all testing standards and environmental requirements. The Spicy Curry AT is the bike for your gateway to freedom. Riding on dirt road, on a single track, or on mountainous roads alone, or with passengers is now at your fingertips. To experience how this bike can improve your day-to-day life, please contact your nearest Yuba bike dealer to arrange a test ride.